All right, welcome back to another video here at Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out a 1967 Chevelle Malibu Super Sport Tribute. Big block under the hood, 4-speed manual transmission. A really neat car.
Yeah, really neat car, Dalton. And this car was restored back in 2012. And we do have the receipt and stuff. The motor was done in 2016. It's a 1969 396 3¼ horse engine. Engine bay's nice, got MSD ignition, power steering, which is awesome, headers, dual exhaust, and again, a really nice cruise night car, driver quality restoration. With the restoration as well, there's tons of receipts, so all the receipts that we have will come along with it as well. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up, D. Really cool car, 396, 3¼ horse, 4-speed, full console, awesome stance. It's got just that little bit of rake to it. Now, since the restoration, we have 2 sets of receipts for exhaust. One done in 2012, one done again in 16, 17. The previous owner had a collection of about 5 or 6 cars. He drove this one. I don't know exactly how many miles was put on it, but it's been driven. So it's a cool car, runs and drives fantastic. As you look up and down the sides, really nice straight car. Again, it's got a body shop paint job, not a $50,000, $30,000 paint job, but a really nice driver quality paint job. As far as our chrome goes, all new chrome. I think there's tons of receipts from Eckler's back in the day when all the new chrome was replaced on it. Obviously the Super Sport hood, nice gaps.
A little like
back here in the very back, hood lines up nice in the back on both sides.
a little solvent pop or something to clear there.
Right here, a little rise right there. Again, the paint job, 2012, 10 years old.
Held up pretty well.
It really has. Like I said, a great car. I mean, just a nice, straight, solid car. Tim buffed this one all out when it came in. Just a little spot of buffing compound right there. No bubbles or blisters on the lower fender or door. Back of the door lines up really nicely to the quarter. It has had new quarters on it according to the receipts. Trunk lid lines up nice as well. New back bumper. Tail lights were all new. Housings look new. Behind the rear wheel, no bubbles, blisters, nice and solid. Tire tread looks nice and deep yet. Another thing, new vinyl top. Yep. Another thing, very soft too. Yep. It's a nice padded one, isn't it?
Yep.
As we look around the back of the vinyl top, the chrome and stainless has been replaced. It's got a speaker in the back of the back shelf. Top of the back seat's nice. Glass is nice, no bubbles or blisters anywhere. He really did a nice job on the paint job on the jambs as well. Some people get a little skimpy on the paint on the door jambs. This is nice heavy paint, looks nice. Rubbers and felts have all been replaced. Obviously the car was all painted apart. There's no body lines there, paint lines. Inside corner of the door, bottom of the fender looks good. This is a really good car. I don't think this one will last on our website when this video hits. Door panels are great, the armrest bases. Dash pad's nice, and the dash has all been replaced. So it's got the Super Sport trim on the dash, AM/FM radio, Super Sport steering wheel, factory console with a tack in it, Hurst shifter. Another thing to mention, the seats were all reupholstered and done super professionally. No wrinkles, all new seat cushions, the pads are nice, dome light works good, headliners super tight on it as well. It's a really quality car.
Yes, it is. And we haven't had a 67, Malibu or Chevelle for, it's been a while. It's been a while.
Seems like we've been on kind of a GTO rush.
Yeah, we have. I mean, we're going through like 67 GTOs in the last 2 months.
I know, and then we never usually get any. We get a bunch of them. They said back bumper, all that looks good. Driver's side paint looks excellent. Look up and down the sides, it's very nice. So whoever did when he did the bodywork, I mean, they did a great job, you guys, as far as 10 years, no bubbles or blisters. You know, did a great job. Well, it looks like we lost that. Poor design by GM. Looks like probably dropped down in here, this rubber here. A lot of times it gets caught in these, but they did a nice job. They're nice rubbers there. I like when people do cars right and completely take them apart, put them all, paint them, put them all back together. Every ounce and every inch of this thing is red. I mean, you don't see anywhere on it that's had old crappy paint. Starts easy too. Temperature's running about 150 right now. Oil pressure's still at about 45, 48, idling about 900 RPM. Wipers work good. Horn works.
Hopefully we won't need to use those wipers.
It's starting to sprinkle. A heater fan works, and so does the radio, guys. Super cool car.
It's a big block.
Damn, I like it. Regular drum brakes. I think they're drum brakes in the front.
There.
And really no pull left to right. Not power brakes. They stop good.
Fun car.
It's a nice car.
Yeah, it is.
Gets right with the program. Speedometer works good. It's a little loud in here right now, guys, because we need to replace that rubber. As far as the car going nice and straight down the road, the steering wheel does need to be straightened a little bit. It's cocked off a little bit to the left. As far as our downshift, works good. I'm guessing it's probably got 373 gears in it if I had to guess. Still gets with it, squeals the tires, but going down the road at 55, 60 right now, we're pushing what, 2,500 RPMs. Yep. Really cruises nice too, doesn't it?
Good looking car.
Yeah, dome light works as well. Rear view mirror, everything's been restored on this car back in 2012.
Yeah,
it's a super nice car. It's it's an absolute turnkey driver Chevelle Malibu that's been converted into a super sport.
Yep. Take to any local car show, get a lot of compliments. Beautiful car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Links in the description. Thank you for watching.